Vile vile sheria zetu ni sheria za zamani. Kwa hivyo tumeanzisha utaratibu wa kurekebisha sheria zinazohusu jela na maneno ya vituo vingine vya urekebishaji tabia. Therefore, we have initiated and drafted a new correctional services policy for our country. It is waiting cabinet approval. In another 1 month or so, we'll have a new modern correctional services policy for the Republic of Kenya. A policy that will look at our correctional facilities as places of rehabilitation of offenders and supporting them to reintegrate back to society. At the same time, we are going in the next 3 months to review the Prisons Act, Cap 90. We'll also review Cap 91, 92, that is the Boston Institutions Act, and the Probation Act, to make sure that we modernize our correctional services to be relevant to the 21st century. Ile sheria tuko nayo ni ya zamani. Hiyo Prisons Act Cap 90 ni ya zamani. It's been amended here and there, but it's still old. Boston Institutions Act is old. The Probation Act is old. In fact, if there is a department we need to work on, PS, it is probation and aftercare services. That department is not doing very well, and we need to do whatever it takes to have a modern probation and aftercare services department to make sure that it resonates with our modern requirements as a country. And Secretary, through the PS, make sure that you bring me proposals so that I can support you even at cabinet level to make sure that we modernize our probation and aftercare services, so that when you leave prison, for example, we should follow you up, make sure you are settled back at home, prepare your people to receive you, and even give you some startup capital so that you can start a new life. Mumeomba mambo ingine, kuna mambo mmesema hapa ya kwamba musaidiwe, but before I respond to those issues, there is another policy measure that we want to take, prison facilities and prison services, and that is the mechanization of the prison farms. Most of our prisons have enough land. Most of that land is arable. I'm told, is it 22,000? How much do we have of arable land?